love you viewers. Hello, love you viewers. Today we are going to talk about how to use our pentatonic. If I say pentatonic, people have heard about pentatonic and they have learned it, but they don't know how to apply it, because the pentatonic is do, re, mi, so, la. They go to do re, mi, so, la. They go to do. So you don't play your fa and your ti. That is your 4 and 7. You not apply it. That is the pentatonic. So when people learn it, they find it difficult to use it. So today we are going to use the pentatonic to play. So we are going to teach you how to use it. And you have to do your timing. Yeah, you have some timing you have to know. So I will play some melody. After the melody, I will put the pentatonic and I will explain. So let's watch this. I was using the pentatonic to play the melody and the solo. Yes, I was using the pentatonic to play the melody and the solo. So if you can see, it was moving with what I was playing. Yeah, the pentatonic and my solo was moving according to the progression of what the song I was playing. Although it's do, re, mi, so, la, do, but I was able to put it in such a way that it fits the song I was playing. Yes. So how to use it is like, let me start something like this. See how I did it. I did this thing. You see how I put it? So when you are going to learn the pentatonic, the secret behind that pentatonic is you have to know how to land. If the song is going the kuna minim, the kuna minim, or it's re, re. So the re, instead of the re, so the re, you run like this. So this is so the re here. I'll come and play. I'll come to so. Orange do. You see, it's very simple. So when you are going to run it, where you land, make sure you hit the target of the note. Yes, make sure you hit the target of the note that the song is singing. You hit that note at the last end, hit that note and you'll be perfect. But if the cool you see, it will not match. It will not match the song. You see, if you play, it will not match. You see, so you have to hit the target of the note at your last. If you run the scale, do, this is re. So I'll come and I what? Do, you see, re, it will match it. You see, yeah, because the pentatonic do, re, mi, so la, so it will match it. It will match it. So when you run the pentatonic, make sure your last note, you hit the target of the song. So if you hit the target of the song, wow, you are perfect. So let's do it last one and see. So you see what I did? I was able to hit the target of the chord, the note I was playing. If you can hear my solo, there is a lot of pentatonic in my solo. Yeah, but how I was doing it is, if the song is going to loud, I make sure I run the note. You see? So I make sure I hit the target of the note I'm playing. Yes, I make sure I hit the target of the note I'm playing. So to use the pentatonic is very simple, but it's very difficult. It's very simple, but it's very difficult. Yeah, you have to do it time to time. So anytime you run your pentatonic, make sure it should be in group. Yes, if you see my pentatonic, I was not playing do, re, mi, so, la, do. I was not playing like that. I was able to play it. I was able to play it in a group form. I was able to put it in a way that it will be very easy for me. So you have to put it in the way that it's going to be very easy for you. Yes, you have to put it in a way that it will be very easy for you. So to run the pentatonic, the only thing you know is running your scale. Running your scale. You see? Running your scale, you have to know where to end and where to land. Your landing is the most, because people run the pentatonic and they go off because of they landed at the wrong direction. You have to, if the song is at the fa, make sure you land at fa. If the song is at the do, make sure you land at the do, mi. Like we have substitute notes. If you substitute the do, make sure you look for the note that will substitute the do and do not go off. So this is the pentatonic solo. It's very easy. Please try and learn it, and it will help you a lot. Thank you very much for watching. But please subscribe for more videos. Bye.